Ooh. Not editing it out, real life. So once you take the top of the box off, ooh, it's so pretty. Ooh. Don't tell nobody how I just fell off this stool. Anyway, so we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing like an unboxing, or I guess my first impressions, a review of the I was about to say iPhone because I just got an iPhone 11. Psyched about that. But this is for the iPad 7. I need to get it together. Can you bring me a knife actually so I can cut the box open, please? Not a butter knife, but a like a sharper knife. So I got my iPad from Sprint, and it kind of goes against my religion because I don't believe in contracts. I feel like cell phone contracts are for suckers, because I've been with Metro, thank you, for years, and my phone bill and my son's phone bill was less than $100. But because my boyfriend has Sprint, I was like, all right, I want an iPhone so I could record video. Well, because I needed a phone. And let me tell you, I was not just saying that. This was my old phone.
It was cracked.
My son commentary back there, it was cracked. So yeah, it was raggedy. So he got me an iPhone. But then I was like, you know what? I need an iPad so I can edit videos. Gotcha. So it says that the iPad was $459, well $551. I don't know the breakdown or I don't know how it works, but I think we have to pay like $15 or $20 a month for 18 months to pay it off, and then it has a plan on it. So this is the iPad 7. It has Wi-Fi and cellular. So my boyfriend said I could make calls from my iPad, and I'm not a techie person, so that like blows my mind that I can make a call from something other than a phone. So let's open it up, and hopefully I'm not destroying anything. I'm so excited. My iPad was so old. Like I had an iPad mini probably 5 years ago, but at the time my son was 3. He saw my iPad and it's been a wrap. Yeah. Come here. We need evidence of what you just said. I need proof. What happened to my iPad mini? Mommy's iPad mini? What happened to it?
Okay, I honestly don't remember, but it doesn't work anymore because it's old or something else.
My iPad mini used to be brand new. My child got a hold to it. 5 years later, it doesn't work. It's slow. So I'm like, you know what? This iPad is mine. Now I do plan on getting like a child proof case, and I'll show y'all the cases and the accessories through Amazon, because in the Sprint store they wanted like $80 for a case, $60 for the glass, the shield, and no, not doing it. So here is the box. Just, you know, pretty plain box. I have the iPad in, what is this? Oh, rose gold. So it says includes iPad, lightning to USB cable, and USB power adapter support. So once you take the top of the box off, ooh, it's so pretty. Oh no, that's not blinding y'all. I thought it was blinding y'all, but it's not. Okay. So it just has the all this unnecessary, well I guess it may be necessary, but whatever. All this unnecessary plastic. And then inside the box is the cord. Woo! Not editing it out, real life. Is the cord, this little plug. I don't know why they make these plugs like so much bigger than the cell phone plug. That's so annoying. I kind of want a plug that's small so it can fit in my purse, but whatever. whatever this is. It says designed by Apple in California. What is this? Oh, it's stickers. So I don't know why you would need this, because on the back of the iPad they have you know, the Apple whatever logo, but maybe if you want to put it on like your phone, not on your iPad case, then you can have the stickers or whatever. And I believe this little pin might be to, wait, can you see it? Yeah, there it is. Might be to reset the iPad if you needed to. So the whole thing is rose gold, and then they put like a white strip going across. I don't know why they did that, but whatever. So let's see if it has enough juice to power on. I'm gonna go ahead and download my apps and then show y'all what apps I end up using. Wait, y'all, am I slow? Do you not press this button? Is this not the button? How do you turn this on? Oh my god, I'm having problems. Oh, duh. Okay, so the power button is up here, and then the aux cord for your headphones is also at the top, which is awesome, because once I got my iPhone 11, I was trying to listen to Spotify and there was no cord for the aux cable, so that kind of bummed me out. It's searching, I guess. I don't know what it's searching for, but we'll just give it a second to boot up. But while it's doing that, let me tell you all the specs on it. So this is the iPad 7th generation. I can't believe it's 7 generations. Oh my god, that just made me feel old. Okay, so it's on the iOS operating system. I guess they come in different screen sizes. This particular screen size is the 10.2. It says it has 10 hours of battery. I'm gonna put that to the test. And it weighs 17 ounces. It has a 64-bit processor. I don't even know, like, who cares? Like, who cares? Byron.
Yes.
What is a 64-bit computing process? What does that mean? So the lens, it says, on their camera, it says lens aperture. And it says the software is preloaded. But yeah, so it's it says processor 64-bit computing. What does that mean?
64-bit. That's like the like before it used to be 32-bit, but now it's like 64-bit. Means it's like a multi-core processor. You can do a lot more.
Yeah. What my boyfriend said. I'll put all that information in the description, because yeah. Anywho. So I got a screen protector because I opted out of the insurance. That may have been a bad idea. So this was $60, but it says that it reduces eye strain and it helps with dry and irritated eyes, sleep disruption, reduced attention span, and blurred vision. So I also believe there's like a lifetime warranty on this. So if it's on your iPad and your iPad cracks, supposedly you can call them, you know, and they'll take care of it for you. Hold up. I need a candle. I can't function. I need a candle. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna take black tie back to the store, because I don't know. I tried something new, but sometimes you just gotta go with the classic. So let's do mahogany teak wood. I haven't had my candles lit in like a week. Come on, why does it take so long to like? Okay, so we're gonna put that on the coffee table. Now, what was I talking about? I forgot. I totally forgot. Kaden, what was I talking about? Oh, so let's see if the iPad loaded up. So it says, hello, press home to open, English. I should probably screen record this so y'all can see how to set it up. Then you click on United States, quick start, set up manually.
2,000 years later.
So it's all loaded up. I have everything finally set up. So I just wanted to show y'all a couple of the apps that I have on here for now. I have to have, my entertainment app. So I have Hulu, Facebook, and Instagram for my social media work. And then I just added my games. This is my favorite one, Temple Run. But anyway, I'm loving the iPad. I've dropped it like a million times already. So I know that it's probably going to stand the test of time. But I also have that kind of like what I would refer to it as like Gorilla Glass, because that's the term I'm used to. But I also have the thick screen protector on there that my boyfriend applied earlier in the video. And I think I'm just gonna post a couple pictures so you can see the quality of the camera. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you consider sticking around and becoming a part of the ATC gang. Talk to you later.